It's been awesome and such an invaluable experience. My name is Mackenzie Kelleher. I'm a 3L. I'm in the civil law clinic. I really want to be a litigator. I want to spend a lot of time in the courtroom, and I thought the civil clinic would be a great opportunity to get a head start on that and have some experience before I go into the workforce. My favorite thing I've done is working on an IDEA special education case, and we got to do it from the very beginning intake in August. Because it was expedited, we got to do the whole entire litigation process. It's given me so much experience to really see what litigation is like firsthand before I'm thrown into the workforce, and it's been awesome, an awesome thing to talk about during job interviews as well. I would say absolutely do it. It's been one of my favorite things I've done in law school. The experience that I've had, it's really invaluable, and not very many other law students can say that they've gotten to do the whole litigation process in a semester.